Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete unread emails in Gmail. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for gmail.com. Then sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent emails will be present. Now, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for "unread." Press the enter key and all of the unread emails will be displayed. Now, click on the arrow icon beside the check mark box at the top and click on all. This will only select the emails on the first page, but you can also select all of them at once by clicking on the Select All embed. After that, you can perform different actions from this drop-down menu. You can mark them as read, or you can just click on the delete icon to delete them. This way, you can quickly get rid of all your unread emails in one go. So that's basically how you can delete unread emails in Gmail. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.